You made the vision board, you said the affirmations, you manifested your butt off, but nothing's happening. Why? In this video, we're diving into 5 manifesting mistakes that will silently sabotage your success. You're gonna learn exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it using real psychology, not just woo-woo. And yes, I'll share with you a study I conducted that proves that one small change can increase your savings rates, for example, by 73%. I'm financial psychologist Dr. Brad Klontz, and I'm here to help you learn the psychology of money and success. Thank you so much for being here and for subscribing. Now let's get into it. Mistake number 1, you do not have a clear vision. You can't manifest what you can't see. This is the single most common mistake I see. People say they want to be rich and successful and happy, but they can't even describe what it would look like. If your vision is vague, if it's amorphous, if it's non-specific, your brain doesn't know how to work for you. It doesn't know how to make them happen. If your goals are fuzzy, your focus will be too. The key here is you need to be specific. You need to be able to see it and feel it and almost taste it. Not, I want more money, but how much? Be specific. And for what purpose? What's the point? How would your life look differently? Not just, I want more money. How much specifically? And even more importantly, for what purpose? How would your life look different if you had the money? What would you be doing differently? How would your average day look? Imagine waking up and all your financial dreams have been manifested. Who are you with? What are you doing? How does it feel? Get specific. In my sentimental savings study, we saw participants who created a vision board, a very clear vision of 3 specific financial goals. After just spending an hour doing that, they increased their savings rates to reach those goals by 73%. And they would have told you they didn't have another dime to put towards those goals, but they were so motivated and so excited because they had a clear vision. Your vision connects to emotion. Emotion is connected to your values, and that's really what drives behavior. The fact is, if you're not emotionally connected to your goal, you're not going to stick to any sort of plan to achieve. Action tip: make your vision crystal clear. Turn it into a vivid mental movie. Make a vision board. Look at it every day. Have this mental model with you constantly. Mistake number 2, you don't actually believe it's possible. You can't manifest what you secretly don't believe you deserve or that you think is impossible. You might say the words, but if deep down you don't believe you're worthy, or if you don't believe you're capable, or if you don't even believe it's possible, your brain is going to block you from seeing the opportunities all around you. Here's the truth. It's your subconscious that is doing the manifestation. It is your subconscious that is running the show. And if it doesn't believe that this goal is achievable for you, it's going to self-sabotage. So how do you fix it? Here's the cure. You're going to need to flood your brain with the belief that it's possible. And how do you flood your brain with that belief? The best way to do it? Surround yourself with people who already believe it, people who have already done it. What's great about them is this isn't an abstract possibility, it's a reality. And you need to feel like it's a reality for you. Now, I know what you're saying. Dr. Brad, I don't know anyone who's achieved it. Of course not. If you did, if you were hanging around a bunch of people who are achieving it, you probably would have achieved it yourself by now. So what do you need to do instead? Read their books, listen to their podcast interviews, watch their YouTube videos. Let their stories infect your subconscious. Let their stories transform your belief system. Here's the psychological insight. Our brains are wired this way. We are wired to learn through modeling primarily. It's much less what people tell us to do. It's more about us witnessing them do it. That's how we learn as kids, and that's how you can learn to manifest your goals. The fact is, if you grew up in a family and you don't have friends who have achieved this goal, let's say it's a wealth goal, you're not going to know how to do it. And what you need is new models. Your action tip is to seek out people, to seek out evidence that what you want to manifest is indeed possible. Mistake number 3, you visualized once, but then you forgot about it. If you want to manifest a goal, one vision session, one period of time of closing your eyes and picturing it, that's not going to cut it. Most people treat manifestation as a one-time ritual. You're going to sit down, you're going to journal, and then a year from now, you're going to achieve the goal. That's not how it works. You don't just light a candle, say a mantra, put it out into the universe, and then wait. Nope, this is a huge mistake. Manifesting isn't passive. It's not a wish. It's a daily practice. And here's the neuroscience behind it. The way to rewire your brain is through repetition. The more frequently you visualize your future and your goals, the more familiar it becomes. And the fact is, your brain just loves the familiar. So here's your action tip. Review your vision every single day. Make it a screensaver. Journal about it. Talk about it. Pray about it. Meditate on it. Whatever you do, keep this goal in front of you. If your vision isn't visible, your progress is probably going to be invisible too. Mistake number 4, and this is a big one. You visualize, but you don't act. Manifesting without taking action is nothing more than daydreaming. And the daydreamers in school, let's face it, they usually get enough. There's a story about a man who once hiked up a mountain to meet a guru. An arduous journey, suffered all day long in the heat, climbing up to the cave to have a sit down with the guru. He rode his donkey for miles, left it at the base, and the whole idea was to climb the mountain to get spiritual enlightenment. The guru said some things, didn't really quite understand them, knew he had to meditate on these for a long time. And the man went back down the mountain, got to the base of the mountain, and saw that his donkey was gone. Now, he was very frustrated because here he was on this vision quest, and what, the donkey's gone? Wasn't God supposed to take care of this for him? Isn't he on the right track? So frustrated, he climbed back up the mountain to talk to the guru again, all day climb up the mountain. And he asked the guru, why did God let my donkey wander off when I was on this spiritual, holy journey? The guru looked at the man and said, trust in God and tie up your donkey. Here's the lesson. You can believe in your dream, you can pray for it, you can visualize it, but you also need to take action. It's really based on behavioral psychology. You have to take action to build confidence, and your momentum will create more motivation. It's not the other way around. So here's your action tip. Every day, take one small step towards that vision. Send an email, make a call, learn about something, read a book, learn a new skill, open a savings account, start investing, even if it's only $1. Build the habit. I truly believe the universe will meet you halfway, but you're going to have to meet it halfway too. So get started. Mistake number 5, you're manifesting the wrong thing. Sometimes people fail to manifest their goals because their goals weren't really theirs to begin with. Maybe it came from their culture. Maybe it came from their parents, or maybe it came from Instagram. If you are trying to manifest a vision that doesn't fit with your values, your brain is going to know it and it's going to sabotage you. The fact is, your subconscious is there to protect you. It's its primary job, not to impress strangers. If your dream doesn't align with what you truly desire, your brain will sabotage it. So here's the action tip. Ask yourself, is this goal really mine? Or is it just what I think I'm supposed to want? The most powerful manifestation only happens when your vision aligns with your values. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you believe. So change the belief and watch what follows. I'll see you next time.